I'm making pancake today. It's gonna be a marble pancake, so you're gonna need a bowl, a pan, and another pan for the water bath. And let's get baking. Okay, so first we're gonna get 6 tablespoons of butter, and then I melted it in that bowl. And now we're gonna go and prepare our pan, spray some non-stick spray on the pan, and then now measure out parchment paper, which I just do it very casually. And then we put that aside, and we're gonna put the cake flour, that's half a cup of cake flour, directly to the butter. I forgot to sift it, but the cake turned out pretty good. So if you want to sift it, sift your flour. Otherwise, it just kind of makes no difference. So we're gonna whisk it, whisk, whisk. And then we're gonna put a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. And a pinch of salt. Whisk. And then 3 eggs, which we're gonna separate them. 3 egg yolks and 3 egg whites. Yolks go into the flour mixture. This is more like a sponge cake than a pound cake, I guess. Because pound cakes, you need kind of sour cream or yogurt or buttermilk to make it really moist, which I don't have, so I'm making sponge cake. And then now we're gonna add 45 milliliter of milk. I'm using almond milk here. And then we're gonna pour it into the milk, the flour mixture with the egg yolk. And then whisk. Now onto the vanilla. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla in it. Oh, it's stuck somehow. 1 teaspoon. Whisk. Now onto the egg white, and we're gonna put in 5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna make a meringue. So you'll be whisking the egg whites while putting in the sugar. That's how you make a meringue. I think I put in the sugar 3 separate times. When it's done, it's very shiny and kind of a soft peak. So just keep whisking until it reaches soft peak, which looks like this. Very shiny too. I put everything away because my counter is very small. So we're gonna put a little bit of egg whites into the egg yolk mixture just to, loosen it up first. And then we're gonna fold. You have to have a lot of patience when it comes to folding. You don't want to mix it, otherwise all the air that you incorporated into the egg whites will deflate, and you don't want that. You want it to be fluffy and light and soft. So take your time here, be patient, and keep folding in your egg white into your egg yolk mixture. You fold it until you don't see any more white streaks. Now onto the marble part. We're gonna use some cocoa powder, which is a half a teaspoon. And then you put some of your dough in it, and then just mix it up. Mix, and that's your marble. Very easy. Okay, now we're gonna use a clean spatula. So you don't want to use the spatula that's mixing the chocolate to the vanilla, otherwise the marble thing is not gonna be as pretty, even though mine is not that pretty. Okay, so just pour your dough into your pan. If you have a 6-inch pan, you should use that. I don't. My pan is 8.5 inches, so my cake is kind of flat, but I'm okay with it. So now we're gonna put in the chocolate part of it. I just put it in the middle and swirl it like diagonally and straight and however I think it's gonna look good, which unfortunately is not looking that good. Well, I'm gonna eat it anyway. Yeah, this is try not to waste any dough. All right, you put it in a water bath, and then you put it in an oven 325 for about 40 minutes. And then you can take it out, and it looks like that. Ooh, it's a sponge cake. Now I'm gonna pull it out very carefully because it's super hot. Remember to use your oven mitt. And then, ooh, ready to eat. I cut a tiny little piece after it's cooled down. Okay, wow. I gotta tell you, so light and fluffy. It's so good. I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.